In this video, we're going to be talking about the new Galaxy A55 renders and leaks, and there may be some disappointing news in this video. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. This article comes from sammobile.com, so if you guys would like to read this on your own time, I'll leave a link in the description down below. But as you guys can see, our headline says, breaking, the Galaxy A55 renders show off its sleek metal frame. So it looks like we're going to have a new metal frame on the Galaxy A55, which is nice to see. I think we've been waiting for this for a while. So it says the Galaxy S24 may be the phone that will command all the attention over the next couple of weeks, but Samsung also has other important devices in the works, such as the Galaxy A55. And as we know, the Galaxy A50 series for the last, I think, 3 or 4 years has been one of the top selling phones in the entire world. So this is important news. The Galaxy A55 is likely to be the most premium and expensive mid-range phone from the Korean giant in 2024. It will bring several upgrades, including a more premium design with a metallic frame that can now be seen in all of its glory. And as you guys can see, these are each side of the Galaxy A55, and as you guys can see, it's pretty much like a brushed aluminum right here. I think it looks good. I definitely believe it looks more premium than what we got last year. I'm hoping that we get these exact colors, because a brushed aluminum in black and what this looks like is a pink looks honestly really good. Also, let me know in the comments section down below what color, if you are going to get the Galaxy A55, what color do you think looks best, and what color do you think you're going to be getting? It says, like the recently launched Galaxy A15 and Galaxy A25, the Galaxy A55's frame is slightly raised around the volume and power buttons. The metal frame will make the phone feel considerably more premium than the Galaxy A54, though it's likely to result in a not so minor price increase. And this was the bad news that I was about to talk about, or the bad news that I mentioned in the beginning. I hope that we don't have any sort of price increase on the Galaxy A55. It's already increased from last year. I think before last year it was like $399. Now it was $449 for the Galaxy A54, and obviously that was kind of an error because that price dropped significantly like a couple months later. So I'm hoping that it's around $399, maybe even $449, but then we're getting into the territory of the fan edition Galaxy phones, and it's not really going to make sense because there's not much of a price difference, and a lot of people are going to just go ahead and pick up the old Galaxy S23 and just use the updates that it has on there and get a more premium camera and premium device. It says another factor contributing to a higher price tag will be the Exynos 1480, Samsung's first mid-range chip with a GPU based on AMD's RDNA 2 graphics architecture. As for other upgrades, information is scarce, but we don't expect too many major changes to the rest of the spec sheet. So, you know, for them to say, I mean, even in this article, for them to even speculate that there's going to be a higher price tag because of the Exynos 1480 doesn't make sense at all, because I believe every single phone each year, no matter if it's a mid-range phone or a budget phone, should get a better processor. That's the newer processor for that year. You wouldn't put in last year's processor in a new phone, right? I don't think that's a reason for increasing the price. Doesn't make sense at all. But in my honest opinion, I think the phone looks a lot better. I hope this processor works a lot better on other games. I hope we get to play things like Genshin Impact at higher graphical settings. I know some people were having a little bit of issues with a few different games, but overall, the Galaxy A54 was a decent phone. I'm hoping that they release this phone at a price tag of like $399. Honestly, I don't even think $449 would be warranted in this market right now, but due to inflation, we might see something like that. But let me know in the comment section down below how you feel about the Galaxy A55. Are you excited about Samsung's choice to make a whole new unibody for the Galaxy A55 or get it a metal frame? I'm kind of excited. I think it definitely looks much better, and it's getting closer to the more premium S-series flagship line that Samsung has. But let me know your opinions in the comment section down below. Hopefully you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.